We're going way back Wednesday into our News 3 Now archive. 5 years ago this month, Angie Horkan shared one of her favorite soup recipes with us from the Wisconsin Beef Council. Here's her take on Beefy Harvest Soup.
This is one of my favorite seasons for cooking because I love making comforting foods with beef. We have so many great beef cuts that work perfectly in those low, slow soup recipes that you can make that make the house just smell wonderful. So a perfect weeknight meal because it's only a 25-minute start to finish recipe. So I start with lean ground beef. I used ground sirloin. That way I didn't have to drain any drippings. I browned it in my stock pot, and then I added 2 cups of water, 4 cups of beef stock, a can of stewed tomatoes, actually the Italian style or Italian flavored stewed tomatoes, a cup and a half of frozen mixed vegetables, and then a cup of elbow noodles or any kind of macaroni that you like, a smaller kind. So then bring it to a boil, turn it down, simmer it about 10 minutes till your noodles are about done. And then secret ingredient, beef smoked sausage. So this is half of 1 ring of a beef smoked sausage. Just slice it up, put it in there, and you're gonna just put that in the last 3 minutes. And oh my goodness, it gives it such a great added kick of beef flavor. So this is called our Beefy Harvest Soup. What says fall better than this? A nice Beefy Harvest Soup, hot, warm meal. And it's quick, 25 minutes, so you can make it on a weeknight easily after work or after school.